Alright guys, welcome back, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install Vite and also change the port number to your preferred port number. Let's get started. So the first on the list is to install Vite using the command npm create Vite applet test and click the enter button. So wait for a while for it to load. Yeah. Next is to type Y and click enter. This will create options for you. So give your project a name, and you are going to use the name Viteport. This automatically creates a file and install every package that we need for Vite in that file. So here we select what framework to use, and we are choosing React and what variants, which is JavaScript. Yeah. Automatically we have the Viteport file with every of our file needed to run this Vite. So what we do here now is to change directory, which is CD, into this Viteport. Currently we are in Vite app. Yeah, so now we are in the Viteport file. Next is to type npm install to install all packages that we added. So this will take a while. Yeah, so now we have our notebook modus file added here. Boom, we're good to go. So next, you have to run this file. Open your Chrome on one side of the screen, and then we type npm run here command to run this in Chrome. Alright guys, it's up and running. So what we do here is to hold the control button and click on this link that is given here. For Mac users, you hold the CMD command button, click on this link. Yeah, we have our Vite running already. In this port, our local host is 5173 as given here. What we want to do now is to change this port number to our preferred port number. So go into this vite.com.js file and modify this file config. Yeah. So what we do here is to type server as an object. Inside the object we type ports and give the preferred ports you want to, any port number you like. Yeah, we are going to use 4000 as our port number. On doing this automatically changes the ports that the Vite is running on. So when we reload this, see what happens. So now I'm saying this site cannot be reached. So we have to go into localhost 4000. Yeah, that will run now. Yes, automatically we have this port 4000. Now change it to any other port number we like. Change it to port 9000. Okay, yeah, see that we changed. So we do the same thing. Click on control and click on this link, or you go to your search bar and click on the local host. Automatically added. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Yeah, thank you.